CA15s on a MD12K with a 45 amp C-Max.
Okay. Wow, this is a big box. Who built this? Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so what's your name, man? What's in here?
My name's Reardon. I got 4 HCCA15s on a MD12K with a 45 amp C-Max.
Okay. Wow, this is a big box. Who built this?
Me and him built it. It's been 35 hertz. We've been building it all this week.
Nice. Do you know the specs on it?
Yeah, it's 35 hertz. It goes about halfway into it. It's about 18 inches long, 43 inches wide, 4 inches tall.
Nice. Do you know how big the box are?
It's about, I believe it's 45 this way, 33 tall, or no, 24 tall, I'm saying 33 from front to back.
Awesome.
So it's pretty big.
Okay. What is your electrical like? Your battery out there and all?
Yeah, I got a 45 amp C-Max and I got a 390 amp alt running it right now. About to upgrade, trying to get like a 130 somewhere in that range.
Okay. And what is your subs wired to ohm-wise on your amp?
Half ohm.
Half ohm? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Where's your bass amp?
It's on the back with the
okay.
C-Max.
I'll go look at it.
It's still work in progress. We got a lot to do still.
Oh, yeah.
It was just time crunch and everything,
yes,
getting everything done for today.
So you've done a lot of work on the cabinet
I
and more to do?
got 2 layers, a half inch, 1 layer, 3/4.
Okay.
And even up here, I got wood.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Man.
And the doors are all deadened and everything. I just got to seal the doors. I'm going to build a center console that goes all the way back.
Okay. Nice. Is there a way I can see the back?
Oh, yeah, we can see the back.
All right.
I did that last night.
Nice.
Get to the wiring after 4 o'clock in the morning and get you.
All right. How thick is this wire?
It's 4-aught welding.
Wow, 4-aught. All right. Nice. On a 45 amp hour?
Yep.
Okay.
It'll be bigger soon.
Do you know the cubic size on this? Cubic space?
We had it, but I honestly don't remember.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Don't remember? It's all good.
What is it, like 17 or something like that?
Probably somewhere around there, yeah.
16, 17, I think.
Nice job. What made y'all do bottom port versus slot or any other variation?
I asked around with somebody that was going to help us, and he told us that doing it all the way across would be better than just doing it in the middle.
Okay. Yep.
We didn't have room to put it front or back.
Yeah, I was originally going to port up.
Yeah.
But I didn't have the room.
Got it. Awesome. Thanks for the demo.
No
Nice to meet you. Yeah, man. Good look under the hood. Okay. So this is on your vehicle? Oh, this is the actual system.
Yeah,
and then
that one's the 370.
Okay. Very nice. What's going on, everyone? This is JACOBVILE. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. This was at the annual Summer Showcase Show in Jacksonville, Florida of 2022. Be sure to give them a like. They did a great job with the box, as well as comment. Let them know something you like about their system after the demo. About to get to a crazy bass demo. Insane amount of flex, especially on the roof, even though they've done a lot of roof work. So you got to stay tuned. So I really like the way they have their staging of their system. Of course, they didn't mount the battery and the amp separate behind the seats because I'm guessing they wanted to keep one of their seats in case they had a person in the back riding. But they have their 4-channel amplifiers and all staged back there next to the seat, so that gives somebody room to sit in the back if they need. And of course, they did have it set to where that window line level is of the box, so if they compete, they're considered a no-wall system. So thanks everybody for watching my daily cardio videos. We're about to get to this crazy bass demo. Keep an eye on that top sunroof area. It definitely looks like it's going to break, so enjoy.
Hey man, I'd love to hear it. All right.
Something you know that does well on your system.
All right. Yeah, this should do good.
very musical. I like that. That's awesome.
I appreciate it. It's still work in progress. We got a lot to do still.
Oh, yeah.
It was just time crunch and everything,
Yes, sir.
getting everything done for today.
Has you done a lot of work on the
Oh,
cabinet
yeah,
or more to do?
I got 2 layers of 1/2 inch, 1 layer 3/4 inch.
Okay.
And even up here, I got wood.
Yeah. Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Man.
And the doors are all deadened and everything. I just
Yes,
gotta
sir.
seal the doors. I'm gonna build a center console that goes all the way back.
Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.